Welcome back to SV Union High School and Junior College. I hope you all are fine. I have come back with the video of Standard 5 Computers, Chapter number 8, Part 1, Algorithm and Flow Chart. Now let us start. What is a software? Software is a program which is present in the computer which helps in processing the information. It is nothing but detailed writing of the steps, instructions into the computer to carry out a particular task efficiently and properly. We can say the art of writing stepwise instruction is called as programming. We all know software is an important part of the computer, without which the computer cannot work. Otherwise, the computer is just a junk box. Computer program has several set of instructions, or we can say algorithms. These instructions are implemented by a computer to arrive at a specific result. We can say a formal step of instructions that is followed to perform a specified task, such as solving a logical or a mathematical problem, is known as an algorithm. The word algorithm is derived from the name of the 9th century Arab mathematician. He developed methods for solving problems in which he used specific step-by-step instructions. Now, let's learn about some of the essential properties of algorithm. It should be simple. It should have the capability to handle some unexpected situations. It should be clear with no ambiguity. It should involve a finite number of steps to arrive at a solution. It should lead to a unique solution of the problem. For example, when a student wants to prepare a cup of tea, he has to follow the steps which is known as algorithm. Let's see the steps to be followed while preparation of a tea by a student. This set of steps are known as algorithm. This makes programming easy and less complicated. The first step for preparing the tea is put the tea powder in teapot. Second, fill the teapot with water. Third, boil the teapot. Fourth point is pour tea into the cup. Fifth, add milk. Sixth one, add sugar. This is the process for preparing the tea. Let's learn about a flow chart. Step-by-step process to solve a problem in the pictorial form is known as a flow chart. It consists of symbols suggested by ANIS, that is American National Standard Institute. Each symbol has its own description. These symbols are connected by lines called flow lines. These flow lines show the sequence of steps in the flow chart. Let's see the different standard flowchart symbols. The first one is the start or the stop box. This is an oval-shaped symbol used to indicate the start and end of the program. It is the first and the last symbol in any program logic. Second one, input-output. This is a parallelogram-shaped symbol used to indicate the input or output operations to be done. Let's see the third symbol which is used in flowchart: processing. It is a rectangular box used to initialize and process the data. Calculations, data manipulations, or information processing are shown in the processing box. Fourth one, flow lines. These lines are used to connect various symbols in a flow chart. They indicate the exact sequence in which the instructions are to be followed. The fifth symbol is decision box. This is a diamond-shaped box which is used to indicate logical checking and gives a decision after comparing between two or more objects like yes or no, true or false, equal to, greater than, smaller than, etc. Sixth one, connector. If the flow chart is long, a connector can be used to show the continuation of the flow chart at different places. Let us see certain rules which are to be followed while preparing a flow chart. First one, the general direction of flow in any flow chart is from top to bottom or from left to right. Second, arrowheads are used to indicate the flow of information or sequence of events. Third, crossing flow lines do not show that there is any logical connection between those lines. Fourth one, when drawing a flow chart on more than one sheet of paper, the connectors joining different pages must be referred by the same number, say 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now we are going to see some of the flowchart representations of a problem. First one, a flowchart to read and print the name. So first we are going to use the start symbol to show the start of the program, then read the name, then print the name, and at the end we are going to stop by using the stop symbol. In between we are going to show the input and output, which is shown here as read name and print name. Let's see the second flow chart, which is showing how to add the two numbers. We have to use here start symbol, then input output symbol to show the flow of the program. Use the start symbol, then input A, input B, total is equal to A plus B, print the total, and at the end stop the program. I hope you all have understood the chapter till here. What is an algorithm? What are the properties of algorithm? What is a flow chart? Standard symbols of flow chart, rules of flow chart, and how to prepare a flow chart with the help of the different symbols. So we will stop this here and continue in the next video. You all can practice how to draw these flow charts, and I will come back soon with the next part of this chapter. Till then, thank you.